Hi friends,
Hi friends,
welcome back to The Water Guys,
I'm DJ.
and I'm JR. This is our second installment of our limited series on monetization. We're going to take you through each week of us getting monetized, how long it takes, all the stats and data, so you can see how it works for us and how it might work for you.
This week we're going to be going over the stats that are from June 26th to July 2nd.
And this is only our second week. We started on June 19th, so bear with us while we grow our channel and our numbers. But here are the stats for last week.
So we have our views for the week, which were 479. Next box, you'll see we have our watch time hours, which was 17.9 for the week. And lastly, you'll see our subscriber count, which went up by 98 people this week, which again, I think was fantastic.
So if you're following along from last week, our views are a little lower, but our subscribers are more than double. So that's great.
Yeah.
That definitely made me happy.
Me too.
I hope it continues.
So we started this journey. We were really excited.
We're still excited.
Well, we are still excited. I will say, I think in the beginning, we both thought, we were just going to start the channel and all of a sudden we'd have the views, the viewers, and, a lot of what we did counted on family and friends viewing our videos, which they still do, and we appreciate immensely. However, I think that we've come to realize that YouTube is a different beast than just your friends and family, and it's much bigger than we expected.
In order to just grow beyond your family and friends, you have to improve every week. You have to learn something new every week, especially if you're doing it all by yourself. If you're not enlisting help of anybody, then you need to learn how to edit a little bit better next time, or learn a new skill of editing, perhaps learning better thumbnails, better tags on your videos. Those are the things that we're currently working through to improve our numbers, to improve our reach. We do research and look at videos, but we don't know what we're doing.
No.
So we're learning as we go, and we do make it a rule to try to improve every week. We're looking for, what are we doing that we could be doing better next time?
And we watch YouTube videos every single day. Mm-hmm. Like when we wake up, we watch YouTube videos. When we're just sitting on the couch at night, we watch YouTube videos. We learn how to get better. Even for using Power Director in the beginning, JR is doing most of the editing of these videos.
Don't look at that first video.
And the difference from each video is amazing to me. But he also went on, he was smart. He went on YouTube and he figured out how to use the software, and he watched a few videos and he got better and better. And I continue to think that we will get better each week the more that we learn. Because it's a learning experience. As much as it's fun to do, it's all about learning and growing.
There's trial and error, and not everything's going to be perfect, but the more you try things out, the more you can learn how to do that thing and do it better. It's not just about trying it, but improving it, honing it, and adding it to your repertoire of talent.
And it's not easy. Like, you'll watch a lot of YouTube videos. A lot of them give you tips and tricks, which never show the tips and tricks. We commented on that today. I think we watched 3 different YouTube videos that were all about, the 8 secrets that nobody else tells you. And he literally went over 2.
And they weren't clearly the 2. It's just kind of the 2 things that I got.
And then it was go over here to, click on here and buy this thing so that I can give you the rest of the information. So don't get discouraged when you're watching videos and it seems like you're not getting anything out of them, because a lot of times you're not. We want to hear from you. We want honest questions of people asking, how did you do this? Why did you do this? Or giving us suggestions of, I'd like to see this more. We really do want to interact with you and know you more while you get to know us more. I kind of feel like that's the whole point of this, is really getting to know you and you getting to know us and following us along for our journey.
Getting to know you. Getting to know. Okay, I won't sing. So definitely like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Totsies!